Well guys, I'd just like to say, after my assistant has been out here for 3 days solid, we now have a Volkswagen T4 car transporter that is now down on the ground, on the button, started straight up, with its new gearbox. It's got its new clutch, it's got all the new components, it's got the best turbo, everything's changed. As far as I can see, we are pretty much on schedule to be on the road. So it's looking good. We achieved what we sort of set out to do, other than the fact that I wasn't here to help because I seem to have hurt my leg. But other than that, I'm very impressed. It's come out good. We've got obviously a load of entrails, but now obviously we're going to put all the entrails back together into another big pile, and that should. Which starter motor did you use in the end?
The good one.
The good one, because one of them was, mine was brand new.
Yeah, the other one was. Oh no, the other one's over there.
Yeah, okay, we'll just keep on them anyway. But yeah, so there we go. There she is. She's done. She's looking good. And obviously, the first thing, the proof will be in the pudding, is when we actually take it for a test drive.
Give it a go. Try to put it forward.
I would. Well, what?
Now we take it.
Well, if you want, it's got too many bricks under the wheels, to be honest. All right. Well, I mean, as I said, it does look pretty good. This bonnet, is this the red good bonnet?
Well, that's the red one that's come off.
Okay. All right. Well, that's it. We got to sort the front wings out because the wings were slightly issuous. We've had a bit of an issuous with the wings, so, but obviously, like, that'll be a job. What happened? We've got to make sure we get some more oil in the bugger. What, got enough lead? Why? Feels soft.
Well, it was straining because of the weight, probably.
Yeah.
Tires, but maybe a
Need a bleed. Yeah, well, Luke, I think he's had a few sherbets, hasn't he? You know, it's nobody's sherbeted. But yes, possibly. That's a good job, guys. That's good.